Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this 160-piece sandpaper set. This is for a 5-inch like Orbital sander. This comes in 9 different grits, and so that means it's going to everywhere from the really rough all the way up to really fine. I think it goes from about 40 grit up to 600 grit. And just showing you, these are the 8 holes that work on these 5-inch pieces here. So each one of these has a set of markings on the back, very clear, easy to read. This uses some hook and loop fabric, which of course is going to hook on the bottom of your 8-hole sander. It's got the little hooks on there and it lines up on there perfectly as far as the holes. That allows for the dust and debris and everything to be sucked into the vacuum portion. Fits on there very nice. It seems like it'll work really well as far as actual usage. It's not slipping off the bottom of the disc. Easy to change. So this is a good value as far as the pack, having 160 of these all in one pack with the varying different ones. If you are an avid woodworker, this would make a great addition to your set or work as a gift.